when somebody is serving for the sake of getting something, like nowadays there are so many servants everywhere, but they are serving for the sake of getting the salary at the end of the month, right? So that service is conditional. That is conditional because you give me money, I will serve you. But devotional service, Prabhupada is pointing out, is unconditional. Unconditional. There is no condition. Ahaituki apratihata. Unconditional and uninterrupted. So now service can be rendered through body as well as through mind. Like when we do some action with the body, then that is service. But when that service is rendered through mind also, that also is service. Like you remember the incidents in Nectar of Devotion, somebody was, one Brahmana was cooking sweet rice in his mind, in his meditation. And when he went to check whether the sweet rice was too hot or not, he put his finger there and his finger got burned. Finger got blistered. So in this way we can see that even mental service is real when it is for Krishna. And Prabhupada is pointing out that there are two types of service: physical service and mental service. But the object of the service should be Krishna. If you don't make Krishna the object of the service, it will just be a waste of time. Like, waste of time means doing something which will not bear any fruit. It may bear some material fruit, a material reaction, but it is not going to fulfill our inner self. It don't satisfy us internally. Therefore, service must be in relation to Krishna through a bona fide spiritual master. Prabhupada again making a very emphatic point here, that service must be rendered through a bona fide spiritual master. Why Prabhupada is making that point so emphatic? Because otherwise one may say, well, I'm doing it for Krishna. Sometimes we hear people say, I'm doing it for Krishna. But the question is, you may be doing it for Krishna, but what's the guarantee that Krishna is accepting it? You may think that you are doing it for Krishna, but what is the guarantee that this is being appropriately executed? Therefore, the service must be rendered through an agent of Krishna, and that agent of Krishna is the spiritual master. So in this way, Rupa Goswami is very clearly pointing out that all the service, devotional service, must be rendered for the pleasure of Krishna through a bona fide spiritual master.